everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we go ahead and jump into this video, the main reason why I decided to do this video was because a lot of you have been asking me why so short. Well, the reason why I cut my hair so short was because I wanted volume in my hair. No matter if I curled it, waved it, straightened it, whatever I would do, my hair would always fall straight flat. So I was over it. I just wanted to do something new and have more volume in my hair. Now I love it. I love the volume. I love how big it is. And the reason why I did this hairstyle is because this hairstyle I feel gives it me the most volume. And I'm just using a simple deep waver. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.